Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to our social studies class. Children, in the last class we have started with a new lesson, planet Earth. Up till now we have learned about the unique features of our planet, what makes it different from other planets, and what are the reasons why life exists on planet Earth. We have also studied about the shape of planet Earth, how it looks, and the different continents and oceans on the planet. There are 7 continents, among which Asia is the largest, and there are 5 oceans, among which Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Today we will learn the different landforms on the planet Earth. Before that, we will understand how do we study continents and oceans. Let's begin. We cannot see all parts of the earth from one place, isn't it? Suppose you're standing in your room. Will you be able to see all parts of the earth? No, it's impossible. You cannot see. Why? Because the earth is very large. It's very big. However, we can see and study the earth in great detail with the help of a globe and a map. Now let's study what is a globe and map. A globe is a very small model of the earth. It is a spherical representation of the earth. It shows the exact shape of the planet Earth and has the continents, oceans, and countries marked on it. What is a model? Let's understand its meaning. A small object created to show what a bigger object looks like. Map. A map is a flat drawing of the surface of the earth, or in other words, when you flatten a globe, it becomes a map. The map on this page shows the outline of the continents which we studied, the 7 continents. A map is a diagrammatic representation of an area of land or sea. This is a globe, a spherical representation of the earth, a small model. And this is a world map which represents different countries, oceans, continents on the planet Earth. Think it over. A dash is better when you are going somewhere because you need to take it with you to check the landmarks near your destination. What is better in this case? A map is better. Nowadays, we don't even have to carry it along. It's present in our mobile, the famous Google Maps, which helps us to find the direction. The second one, a dash is better when you want to see what the world looks like from the space. In this case, what is better? A globe is better. Now here is an activity for you all. Word search. Continents and oceans. You'll do it for homework. You need to find out the names of the continents and oceans. Landforms on Earth. There are many natural features on Earth that exist in different shapes and sizes. What are natural features? These are landscape features that were created by natural processes. These are called landforms. The continents and oceans have many such landforms. For example, mountains, valleys, plains, and plateaus, etc. Now, look at the different landforms which are given on this page. We will study them one by one. You all must be aware of many of them, while some might be new to you all. The first one is glacier. What is a glacier? A small moving mass of ice formed by the piling up of snow on mountains is called a glacier. How it is formed? When snow falls and it goes on piling up on a mountain. The next one, a broad flat land which is higher than the plain with the steep sides is called a plateau. We'll see the meaning of steep. A slope that rises and falls sharply. You all must have gone on the tableland in Mahabaleshwar. That is the example of a plateau area. The next, a large area of very dry land without vegetation is known as a desert. Vegetation means grass, plants, and trees. So, a desert is a dry area. Deserts receives very little rainfall, and this is the reason why it is dry and has no vegetation. A mountain is a high land with a peak. Peak is the top of mountain. It is the highest landform on earth. Many mountains are the source of rivers. Source of rivers means the rivers start flowing from the mountain. So many mountains are the source of rivers. As ice and snow on mountains melt, rivers in the form of streams start flowing. The low-lying areas, usually located between hills and mountains, is known as a valley. Now let's see what are hills. Highlands that are not as tall as mountains are known as hills. The next is island. A piece of land surrounded by water on all sides is known as an island. Children, let's see the pictures of the landforms on the earth. These are the mountains, These are the highest landforms on the earth. These are highlands with a peak. These are hills, highlands, but not as tall as the mountains. This is a valley, the area between hills and mountains. This is a plateau, which is higher than the plain with a steep slope. This is an island which is covered by water on all its sides. And these are glaciers. This is a desert, dry area without any trees, grass, or plants because it receives very little rainfall. Children, we have completed the lesson. Let's quickly summarize the key concepts. The first one is the Earth is unique because it is the only planet in the solar system which supports life. Except for Earth, no other planet has life on it. The shape of the Earth is like an orange. The Earth's surface is covered with about 3 parts of water and 1 part of land. That is the reason it looks blue in color from the space, and therefore it is known as the blue planet. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans on the Earth. Various physical features such as mountains, valleys, plains, plateaus, islands, hills, and deserts are found on the Earth's surface. Let's discuss the question and answers. Answer the following questions. The first question is, why is the Earth a unique planet? The Earth is a unique planet because it is the only planet in the solar system to have life on it. The next question, what covers most of the Earth's surface? Answer is water. Water covers most of the Earth's surface. How many continents are there on the Earth? Name the largest continent. There are 7 continents on the Earth. Asia is the largest continent. Name the 5 oceans. The 5 oceans are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. What is a plateau? A broad, flat land which is higher than the plains with steep sides is called a plateau. Children, I'll conclude this session over here. I'll be posting you all the homework on the broadcast group. See you all in the next class.